Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Xfinity service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your subscription and handle all necessary procedures. Step 1. Review your Xfinity contract and account details to understand any early termination fees, remaining balances, or contract commitments before canceling. Step 2. Contact Xfinity customer service by calling their cancellation hotline or visiting an Xfinity store. Have your account number and personal identification ready. Step 3. Inform the representative that you want to cancel your service. Clearly state your desired disconnection date and reason for cancellation. Step 4. The representative will likely offer retention incentives such as discounts or plan changes. Consider these offers carefully or politely decline if your decision is final. Step 5. Confirm all final charges, including early termination fees, prorated amounts, and equipment return requirements. Ask for a summary in writing if possible. Step 6. Schedule your service disconnection date and ask about equipment return procedures. You must return all Xfinity equipment, including modems, routers, cable boxes, and remotes. Step 7. Return equipment to an Xfinity store or use a prepaid shipping label within 10 days to avoid additional charges. Always get a receipt as proof of return. Step 8. Verify your final bill and cancel any automatic payment methods linked to your Xfinity account. Monitor your bank statements to ensure no further charges occur. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.